Alright, so here we are in the bathroom today, and we got that situation to take care of. And I got all of the drywall taken care of, patched, whatever. But the tub was a mess, so I had to clean it up, and I got a lot more work to do, and I'm not about to clean all that stuff up again. So we're gonna cover up the tub here. Then we're gonna fix that. Hey guys, what's going on? We're back out at the duplexes, and I'm working on the bathroom. Let me show you. I've scraped this ceiling today, so I'm just gonna let it dry and get on the repairs. That's what's happening out here in Gallatin, Tennessee. Talk to you later. All right, guys, I had had enough of trying that roll-on technique. It was killing me. You'll get to know me, but you see, I like to try as much as possible as I'm going to keep a clean job site. And I can tell you right now, that roller was not going to cooperate with my demands. So I decided to switch techniques and go straight from the bucket, stomp brush, right to the ceiling. We're gonna see how that works. I don't think it's gonna be any less messier. Sure does look good though. Quick tip, don't get the whole brush down in there. I've got a mess. Guys, I gotta say, I'm not mad at that at all, so that's the route I'm gonna be going from now on, unless you guys got some other suggestions that will convince me that the roller is the best way to go. It's so tempting to go back over something that because you see like a little hole or something that's not filled in, or I wouldn't do that, because the majority of it looks great. You may just end up screwing up what you've already done. We're moving now. We got a schedule. We gotta keep it, or at least try. Yeah, I'm just, any kind of way, really. As long as it's textured. All right, we're gonna bring the ladder on that now, guys. We're wrapped up for the day. I just wanted to come in and show you what it looks like. That's the ceiling. Pretty sure tomorrow it'll be all white, and dry and everything, and so I'll be all excited about that. I went ahead and skim coated some of the walls. I had a lot of mud left, so figured why not, man. This house is so old, there's just a lot to do, and I'm excited about what's about to come up. So there you go, guys. Drywall guys, this is your chance. Hey guys, I wanted to make mention on something of this. We are going to be going through a whole lot of projects in this house. Now, I'm not going to know a lot about some of these. So, drywall guys, paint guys, whoever you are, this is going to be your chance to shine. Even you trolls, you get a chance to come on here and say, this guy's an idiot. I probably am. But we all got to learn somewhere. I'll even learn from the trolls. So what we're gonna do is I'm gonna go on head on home for the night, and then we'll come back tomorrow and take a look and see what it looks like. And then hey, maybe we'll even do some comments. All right guys, we'll talk to you tomorrow. Hey, what's up guys? We're back out at the duplexes and it's the next morning. Let's go ahead and take a look in the bathroom, see what happened here. Well, check that out. I am not mad at that at all. I mean, compared to what it was a disaster. So I think we got that looking pretty good. What do you guys think? Pretty good. All right, so what I'm gonna do now is I skim coated all the walls because it had little dips and bumps and stuff like that. I'm gonna leave all the plastic up so there's not a big mess. But I'm gonna get this room sanded down and see if I can't get some primer on the walls. I gotta actually tape down there. There's a situation where, I don't know, there looks like, and this happened a lot in the house where they just didn't put tape, you know, to join the last piece of drywall together. I'm not sure why that is throughout the whole house, but it is everywhere. So we're gonna get through here and probably have to tape that up and mud that up before we start painting. But that's what we're gonna be doing today, and I just wanted to show you guys the progress on the ceiling. So I need to get in here and get to work and get busy on this bathroom. Hey, but I wanted to let you guys know, if you're enjoying what you see so far and you want to follow the progress and story of my, I guess what you call my attempt at fixing and, you know, rental properties up and fixing up homes for the purposes of reselling, we're going to be doing this for quite a long time. So you guys go ahead and hit the subscribe button. That way you'll know when I put that next video out. I don't want you to miss nothing. So, and if you appreciate what I'm doing so far, go ahead and smash the like button for me. That would definitely help. All right, guys, I gotta get to work, so I will talk to y'all later. All right, guys, I just got finished sanding the walls down. I actually skim coated them yesterday too, and they feel pretty smooth. I mean, this is an old house with lots of layers of paint, so it's not going to be perfect, but I can tell you this much. It's about 80% better. It's not perfect. Anyway, I'm going to go through here and what we talked about yesterday and just kind of brush over. That way, if any of these little long icicles are sticking down, they just get kind of knocked off, and then it doesn't, you know, you can roll your roller over it without any issue. You don't want to be in here playing with your balloons and they hit the ceiling and they pop. You know? So knock these little sharp points off. Maybe even have to go in here. Something a little bit more brisk over here. Let's see. I can feel it. I can hear little things dropping down, so we're actually doing something. Even if it's wrong. All right. I should do it. Oh, hey! I finally figured out how to use this roller technique. So the brush, it makes it look really, really good, but it takes so long with one little stomp to get the mud on the ceiling. So if you're able to get the mud to a thickness where it rolls on like thick paint, all you need the brush for is just to grab it and pull it down so it makes a texture. So I'll be rolling from now. Make sure you wear some safety glasses. I got this stuff in my eye. It was not fun. But I got over it. I imagine they'd probably make a textured roller or a big fat furry roller or something that puts it on real thick, but you know, this is working for me. I'm just rolling it on thick. I'm almost down to the bottom of my fucking mud. Which means I'm almost done. And where you got those spots where there's those black holes or whatever, you can really pinpoint it, you know what I'm saying, and fill them in. You can just come back over and get your brush on. Little thin right there. All right, let's stomp this baby. I did figure this out too. I will wet the brush before I just start sticking it up there because it is a little bit thinner, and this helps to not pull so much of it down. It just gives it a great texture. Yo, what's up guys? Looks like apparently I'm a drawwaller, so let me show you what we got going on for the past 2 days. Now this is not my best ceiling, but it is my first. So it used to be all popcorny, and now we just did a little bit of a texture on it. So I did that with just a straight stomping, and then in this one right here, I actually rolled it on with a paint roller. So, and that made it a little bit more even and more uniform. I'm liking this method a whole lot more. So that's what's going on here in Gallatin, Tennessee. Holla. Well guys, if you made it this far, first of all, thanks. And if you enjoyed it, give us a thumbs up. And hey, we be putting videos out like this all the time, so subscribe and turn on the bell. And be sure to follow mine and Kelly's progress as we try to become real estate investors here on the next Duplex Diaries.